Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the program for DATUM script, okay, controlled with the Fanuc. So this is a polar slot, okay. So how to create a program for polar slot, I already made a video for that, okay. So today we are going to learn about the DATUM script. So the program for polar slot, okay, is 03536. That is your subprogram, okay. So in subprogram, in place of M30, okay, you have to write M99. Clear? M99 is your return to main program. M99 is your return to main program, okay. Clear? So this is a block of 120. So after made a DATUM setting at the center, every square box inside that block becomes 60 cross 60. Okay. In that 60 cross 60, there is a polar slot. Okay. There are 460 cross 60 blocks within it, and in every block there is a polar slot. Okay. So for polar slot program, I told that I have already made a video. Okay. So in that the program number is 3536. So let's start the program, main program. So let's take program number 0005. Okay. Here 40, 54, 80, 90, 21, 600. Add on the safety, but it is not necessary. 5. Okay. Let's say this is a point number 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So then what is the coordinate for point number 1 is x0y0. Clear? So right, G52 x0y0. G52 is your local coordinate system. Okay. Then you call that subprogram by writing M98 is your call, the subprogram or subprogram call. The subprogram number is P3536. Okay. Then after writing this line, a polar slot will be made over here. Then write G52. What is the coordinate for point number 2? X minus 60 by 0. Then call that subprogram M98 P3536. After writing these two lines, okay, the polar slot will be made over here. Then write G52. What is the point? What is the coordinate for point number 3? X minus 60 by minus 60. Then call that subprogram again. M98 P35 36. Clear? Then after that, for this block or this square size, G52 X will be 0, y will be minus 60, and call that subprogram M98 P35 36. Clear? P35 36. Then take the value, This is the what coding for datum sheet. You need to remove one thing. Main program we call that subprogram. Okay, this is the subprogram. Okay. But in subprogram, instead of writing M30, you have to write M99. Don't forget that. Okay, you have to write M99. Clear? So I think this is all about the datum set program. The program start over here and end over here.